Hey guys, it's Chris, one of the co-founders of the Orderbook. Welcome back to the series where we break down the platform section by section and explain what everything means in a simple way. Just a quick note before we start. None of this is financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only, and I'm just here to show you how the platform works. Also, I can make mistakes, so if you spot anything that needs correcting, feel free to let me know. In this episode, we're going to look at the Heatmap section. This is one of the fastest ways to see what's moving across the market without scrolling through everything one by one. So let's get into it. So now, let's move on to the Heatmap section. This is basically the whole market on one screen. Once you know how to read it, you can understand what's happening across the market in just a few seconds. The Heatmap is pretty simple. There are three main things to look at. First, the bigger the tile, the bigger the asset. So for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum usually take up more space because they're much larger compared to smaller coins. Second, green means the asset is up, and red means it's down. And the brighter the color, the bigger the move. So if something is bright green, it's moving up strongly. If something is deep red, it's dropping hard. And third, the biggest winner of the day glows blue, while the biggest loser shows up in dark red. So when you see a lot of green, the market is having a strong day. And when you see a lot of red, the market is under pressure. Up here, you can also switch between crypto, stocks, and ETFs. You can change the time frame too, like the last hour, 24 hours, or 7 days. And if you want to get more specific, the Pro filters let you narrow it down. For example, you can look at only big assets, only the biggest movers, or only assets that are up or down more than 5%. The reason this is useful is because instead of scrolling through hundreds of coins or stocks one by one, you can just glance at the heat map and quickly see where the money is moving. You can see what's standing out, what's pumping, what's dropping, and what the overall market mood looks like. And that's the heat map section, the whole market in one quick view. In the next video, we'll move on to the next section and keep breaking down the order book step by step. See you guys in the next one.